Welcome to Cooking with Kayla.
I'm vlogging.
You're what?
I'm vlogging. Did you see my camera?
No, I didn't see you.
You want to do the intro with
Oh
me?
man, you did a serious grocery shop.
Welcome. Oh, are we filming now?
Yeah. Ooh, I'm red.
That's
So
exciting.
we were expecting rush hour,
And we're gonna hit it eventually.
but we're still
But for
going
now,
6.
we're happy that we haven't hit it.
Ah! We made it.
Welcome. It is
Welcome.
currently 11:45. I've honestly filmed so much I don't even know where to start with this vlog, so enjoy whatever you're gonna get.
Yeah, we'll just turn this way and you can go like this.
Oh my god! Tyler, sweetie. Take you for a ride on my mini orange tractor. I'm cooking soup. You can't even see what I'm cooking right now. Let's see, turn it down. Wait. There it goes. Yay.
Your videos are so inspirational.
I know they are. I'm cooking chicken soup and I'm sick. I'm gonna post it on the internet. Am I supposed to do that? Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do, right? You mix it with a can of water. Professional chicken noodle souper. Da, 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 da. There's bananas in the microwave. There's bananas in the microwave. What are you doing?
Smashing the microwave.
Where do I put the bananas?
Oh, stay over there, stay over.
Hold on, I'm gonna...
How'd I turn my hand? There we go.
I can't even see it.
Smush.
I can't even see you smushing me.
Get that.
Okay. That's hot. Look at my pineapple mitt. Have you ever seen it?
No, I have not, but that is wonderful.
I woke up this morning and my tonsils were like swollen and I felt like that. What are you doing? Cooking with Kayla. Did you hear that? Do it again. Do it again. Oh, it wasn't as good with 2.
Oh, it's like boxing.
I haven't posted anything in like 3 weeks.
You're gonna come out with Cooking with Kayla.
I have more videos of like me and Matt and Sarah doing stupid stuff I could throw in here every once in a while.
Out here gonna catch some fishies. No, you came out too fast.
Okay.
Peace out.
Garrett, you should start a YouTube channel and we can collaborate. Stop. Collaborate and listen. So I look up topics to talk about. Is this crooked now? Oh well. So I look up topics. And pretty sure I got on a dating website. So that's sad. And honestly, I filmed for about 25 minutes and none of it was interesting. So guess we're gonna figure something else out to do. day. Today was a good day. We went to Six Flags,
Yes.
and that was good. That was a fun
That was
time.
good.
We rode some rides.
There's
obviously.
a new 4D ride. It's
Yes.
super cool, actually.
We shot things, and I lost because my team stole points from me.
I heard.
Speaking of team, the person on that team looked like Tom Holland.
No.
I believe he did, but
He
Karina doesn't believe me. So
He didn't look like Tom Holland. He just kind of was like, I don't know. He didn't look like
looked
Tom. He did not look like Tom Holland.
Okay, and then there's another person who looked like Kid Flash from the TV show The Flash.
And I believe that one.
And then who was the other one? Oh, there was a set of twins.
They were
And
not
I swear,
twins.
They literally told me they were not twins, but they looked like twins and they dressed like twins. And I have conspiracy theories, okay? That they just lied to
About
make it.
twins.
So they wanted to mess with my noggin, okay? We ate food, kind of.
Sort of.
We ate chicken and fries. That was good. And then we had like half a nachos, and then we both were like, we're done. So that's cool.
It was super hot.
I rode acrophobia for the first time.
I nearly passed out.
For those who don't know what acrophobia
Acrophobia's
is,
really cool.
it's a fear of heights, which means it's 200 feet in the air, and then it just drops you.
It's really fun though.
It's like the salt man drops you. Just kidding. And it was honestly terrifying. So that was cool. But you gotta try things once, as the bucket list family says. You try it once. If you don't like it, then you don't have to do it again. But if you do like it, you can always try it again.
Mm-hmm.
Good advice from the bucket list family. So that's cool. Now it can be rush hour with Kayla.
Rush hour with Kayla. Deep talkings.
Deep talk. Do we have anything to deep talk about?
Mm.
Ow! That hurt.
What?
Did you feel that? Was it that? Oh, it's not hot
It
anymore.
was hot. It wasn't like too
It was
bad.
extremely hot when I put it on me, like burning freaking hot. Let's play tags. Let's see. Oh, my dad has a tag. Let's see what tags they're from. So there's Indiana. I always get Indiana confused
I
with
don't have my
Iowa.
glasses on.
Because Iowa is like the potato one. No, that's Idaho.
Idaho's a potato. Idaho.
Idaho's the potato.
Idaho's the potato one. Indiana's the one with the Joneses.
Indiana Jones. Okay, and then what the heck is Iowa?
Nobody.
Iowa.
There's a cop coming. It's because I'm using the phone. I swear it is. Here he comes.
It's not even a
Ooh,
cop.
it's not a cop. Let's watch him go.
Is it an ambulance?
I don't know.
And I'm like, okay, so I have enough room to get over one while I can. Okay, that's good. Why am I talking like this? It sounds better
I
though.
don't know, but it's pretty fun.
It's okay. It sounds better because better. Because then you can't hear my voice and how it's all like messed up and stuff. I talk like this sometimes, but I also talk in my Edna accent. And Edna, hello.
Hello.
It makes things easier because we talk like Edna. And Edna is very funny. Edna is alternate personality disorder. Anyway, so Edna, I have talked like her for a day, like day, yeah.
Yeah.
He at school. He it kind of just like I don't even know what accent this is, and I hope I do not offend the people by talking in it because I do not know what accent is. But I talk like it, and then it gets in habit, and then I'm like, I do not know how to get out of it, and then I talk like this for days, and then people look at me like, who are you, and why are you in my country? And I'm like, I do not know how I even got to your country, and then it doesn't work. And then I talk like this, and then sometimes it turns to like weird accent, and I do not know how to get rid of it either. And it's just a very difficult thing that I cannot fix. And now, like, see right there, like it just like went away, and it just like died.
Edna.
And
There she
Edna's
goes.
dead. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Bye, girl. See you in a few.
So that's my life.
That's the story of Edna. I have like 6 minutes of just
I
total
feel-
nonsense.
I know, but I didn't know where I was going. When it says Fulton, they live here. They know where they're going. Okay?
True.
So when you have a tag,
Look at this, look at this,
literally
look at
from
this.
Here. Did they do it again?
Yeah, I just saw another
Yeah,
car.
when you have a tag that is literally from this city that we are in at the moment,
You have no right to.
you have no right to be cutting people off. Me, I have a Dahlonega sticker. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm from Dahlonega, for goodness sakes. I don't drive in the city
So
ever.
if you are cutting people off in a city that you live in, you suck.
Yeah, honestly. So go die in a hole. I'm kidding. Like,
Probably shouldn't keep this video going longer for the 16 minutes.
So, Matt has baby kittens. And, no. They're free, and they're adorable, and they're like, no joke, like a month old, and he said he would pay me to take one.
No.